So, napaka-cold dito maglakad. Pag lakad ka ng aso, saka ito yung nilalakaran mo, napakaganda. Here we go! Tapos sa kabila ay dagat, papakita ko sa inyo, napakaganda ng view. So, dito talaga po mga puno. Yan, mga palm trees. So that's Marley and Lottie. Papasok ko lang sa kagubatan. Forest. Like virgin forest. Come on. Come on. So kasama ko yung 2 dogs. Winawalk ko yan sila every morning and afternoon. So twice a day. Look at this, Marley, look. Oh, berries, like white wild berries. So that's Marley. Oh, my strong dog. He have a lot of energy. He always pull me. Come on. Come on, guys. Oh, may sulusutan pa dyan. Oh. Di pa natin napasok yan dyan eh. Ganda mag-explore dito kahit saan. Kapunta ka lang, napaka-cool. Para ka lang sa province life. This is really nice. So today is 9 o'clock in the morning here. It's winter, freezing cold weather. It's winter season. There's more berries over there. So mini-maintain ito ng mga Bermuda Parks, yung sa government. Kasi dinadaanan ng mga tourist. Pinupuntahan ng mga turista. So here we go. Come here, Marley. We go this side. So pwede ka mag-fishing. There's a lot of fish here. Whatever you want. What does it? Yung view. Daming mga pine trees dito. There's a lot of pine trees here. Napaka-cool. Here we go, guys. This is Bermuda Islands. This side is our North Shore. Mayroong bahay dito eh. Napakaganda ng pisto niya. Yung view niya ay pinakadagat. Yun o. Diba yan? Wala palang daan dito, Marley. No, Marley, we're not going over there. So yan guys, yung gandang bahay. So may pinaka-private na yan dyan. Huwag na tayo dumiretso dyan, Marley. We go this side. Okay. Yan. So yung guys, dun sa kabila yung pinaka-dockyard. Yan, pakita ko sa inyo. Diyan yung dumadaong yung mga cruise ship na mga turista dyan sa kabilang ibayo. Pinaka-dockyard. Daming kakahuyin dito. Oh. Yan. Lottie! Diba ang ganda maglakad dito along the ocean. Pakalamig. So, punta tayo dito Marley sa baba. Ganda mag-picnic dito. Kasi mo yung magtambay-tambay ka dito. Dyan. Yung ginagawa Marley. So yun yung dinaanan namin kanina. Siguro ang daming fish dito, Loti. Magsawa ka lang kaka-fishing. Diba? Ganda ang bahay. There's a lot of fish in here. Mama Karel. In summer season. Tapos may kuiba yun doon guys. Pwede ka pumasok. Kuiba, lusutan. Ganda. Hindi na dayo ng mga... Pag summer, ang daming tourist dito na nagsuswimming. Tapos pumapasok sila doon sa may cave dyan. Mayroon yung kuiba dyan yan sa loob. Looban. Diba? Napaka-cool. So this is Bermuda Islands, guys. There's Lodi. So that's Marley taking for a walk today. Yan yung pinaka-backyard doon sa kabila. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video today. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye for now.